Hi, fourth graders. Thank you for joining us for our math lesson. Please be sure you're on page 215 in your math books. And as you can see on the screen, it's pretty much review, but I'm still going to go over it with you because it's been a long weekend and we may have forgotten how to do certain things. So I'm going to do some parts of number one with you, and then you'll do like the rest on your own, but I'll definitely let you know what to work on. So let's take a look at number 1A. Number 1A, we have here a fraction multiplied to a mixed number. So I'm going to just put 3/5 here just to start it off. But this mixed number needs to change to an improper fraction. And you're going to be like, oh, I don't like improper fractions. They're really weird looking. I know, but in this context only, because it's not the final answer, we can use an improper fraction to solve the equation. So to change 1 2/3 into an improper fraction, I can do it in my head. I can do 1 times 3 plus 2, or I can show it. So this can be 1 times 3 plus 2 over 3. Okay, if you need to like write it out to see it, that's fine, but I can do it in my head. So 1 times 3 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. So it's 5/3 times 5/3. I can cross cancel. This is fun. 1, 1, 1, 1. Boom, I have 1, 1. Oh, so it's just 1. Okay, I'm going to do B now. Okay, sorry if I went too fast here. If you need to rewind or pause the video to do that, that's fine. B. So B, once again, I've got a mixed number, 5 1/3 times 3/4. So just like I did earlier, I'm going to change this to an improper fraction. I can do it in my head, or I can write it out. Again, it's up to you. So this would actually be 5 times 3 plus 1, 5 times 3 plus 1 over 3. So 5 times 3 is 15, plus 1 is 16. So that's 16/3 times 3/4. Ooh, I see where I can cross cancel at least. The 3 and the 3. I can also cross cancel 16 and 4. Do you know a number that I can use to divide on both 16 and 4? They're both even, yes, 2, but there's a bigger number you can use. 4. So I can do 16 divided by 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 4. And then 4 divided by 4, 1. So I've got 4, 1, which really equals 4. Let's skip over to E. Okay, I'm looking at 1E. I've got a whole number. Now remember, when you have a whole number, what do you put on top of? A 1. Okay, and then you can just multiply. I see a place where I can cross cancel though. I can cross cancel 6 and 4. Now please don't say, oh, I'm going to use 4, because you can't do 6 divided by 4. They're both even, so I can use 2. Like 6 divided by 2, 2, 4, 6, 3. 4 divided by 2, 2, 4, 2. Now I can just cross multiply. 3 times 3, 3, 6, 9 is 9. 1 times 2 is 2. I need to casita time this because that's an improper fraction. So on the side or on scratch paper, I'm going to do 9 divided by 2, which is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 9 take away 8 is 1. So my answer is now 4 1/2, and that's totally okay. That's okay. It's a mixed number. That's fine. Let's do one more. Let's do F. Okay, so with F again, I've got a whole number, so I'm going to put it on top of a 1 times 1/2. All right, so I have here, I can't cross cancel anything because 9 and 2, they're both not even. At least 2 is even, but 9 is not. So I'm just going to do 9, 2, and look, it's just similar to this. It's the same. So I can just say 4 1/2 again. Boom, right? So that's what you'll do for all of number 1. Okay. Number 2A. Ooh, let's try this. Benjamin and Brittany saw 2 cute kittens at the pet shop. The sales lady said they were 56 days old. Oh, how many weeks old were the kittens? Oh, now they just gave us 2 units. They gave us days and weeks. I think they want us to convert. Here's what they're trying to tell you to do. The kittens are 56 days old, but how many weeks is that? So we haven't done this in a long time. You can set it up, and we'll do this at our Zoom meeting for sure, because I want to do it with you just to see if you remember how to convert. Now, if you want to convert on your own and do this on scratch paper, like you remember how to do this, go for it. But if you want to wait and then just set it up and then wait for the Zoom meeting, that's okay too. Letter B. Melissa went to the dentist and found that she had 3 cavities. Oh my word. Okay, that's painful. It will cost $97.50 for each cavity to be filled. You understand what a cavity is, right? A cavity it's a hole in your tooth and it hurts. Oh my word. So they have to fill it with something so that, nothing goes inside the hole. Because if something goes inside the hole, it will infect your tooth, and then your tooth will break and you'll have pain. No. So please be sure you don't eat a lot of sweets or drink a lot of soda, because it can give you cavities. Like, brush your teeth at least twice a day, okay? And since you're mostly at home, you can at least brush it 3 times a day. Drink lots of water, because when you drink water, it cleans your teeth, not like fully, but at least it cleans it. Okay, that was a good side note. But here, she has 3 cavities. All right, I'm gonna draw these teeth here. All right, and they've got holes. Okay. Now, to fill in 1 tooth, it's going to be $97.50. You know how many games you can buy at GameStop with $97.50? You can at least get 2 games. But you've got cavities, so, that's why you shouldn't eat a lot of sweets. And then you've got another $97.50. Oh my word, that's over $200 already. And then 1 more to fill. So instead of doing $97.50 plus $97.50 plus $97.50, I'm going to do $97.50 times 3, because you've got 3 cavities to fill. You can solve that on your own, and then at our Zoom meeting, you can definitely share your answer. Oh, Melissa. Oh, my word. So you're going to do number 3 for seat work. And then on the back, you'll do 4, 5, 6 for seat work. You're not going to do number 7. So here are your assignments. Okay? This was interesting, very short, but I still wanted to go over a few things because, like I said, it was a long weekend. We may have forgotten some things, which is okay. That's why I reviewed. All right? Thank you very much for these. If you have questions, please let me know at our Zoom meeting. Bye.